Hello guys, I welcome you to the tutorial series on artificial intelligence, and today our topic is informed search techniques, also known as heuristic search. Myself Dr. Bora, and you'll find a link of the previous lecture in the description box below. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share with your friends. So let's start today's session. So what is informed search? From the term, it is very clear that it will have information about the search technique, just opposite to the case of blind search technique that we have discussed in the last lectures. So this type of searching techniques contain information like how far the current node is from the goal, path cost, and how to reach the goal node. So these informations, how far the current node is from the goal, path cost, and how to reach the goal node. This information will have with informed search techniques, and this knowledge will help agents to explore less to the search space and find more efficiently the goal node. Okay, so for large search space, the informed search will be recommended than blind search techniques. Clear? Now, we have used another term, heuristic search. So informed search algorithm uses the idea of heuristic, hence it is also known as heuristic search. So what is the meaning of this term, heuristic? Heuristic means you have some expertise knowledge on the domain where you are conducting the search. Okay, so as informed search has several information with it, that is how far the current node is from the goal, path cost, how to reach the goal node. So these are heuristic information. So it is also known as heuristic search technique. Now, heuristic function. What is that? This is the function which estimates how close a state is to the goal. So suppose you are in current state X, so and your goal state is say Z, then how far X is from goal. That will be estimated through heuristic function, and we use the term Hn to represent heuristic cost. Okay. So Hn calculates the optimal path, the cost of an optimal path between the pair of states, means that suppose your current state and goal state. Okay, and the heuristic function's value will always be positive. Do note it. Hn value will always be positive. Now, if we speak about the characteristics of heuristic function, then you have already got that heuristic function takes the current state of the agent as its input and produces the estimation of how close agent is from the goal. Clear? And it might not always give the best solution, but it guaranteed to find a good solution in reasonable time. Clear? These two are the characteristics of heuristic function. Now, heuristic cost versus estimated cost. Say Hn denotes the heuristic cost, and H dash n or H star n denotes the estimated cost. Then Hn will be less than equal to H star n. You know, Hn always try to find what? Better value or better solution towards the goal. So it will pick the best path among the given paths, and H star n is the estimated time taken to reach that or goal from our current state. So obviously Hn will be less than equal to H star n. I'm suppose giving you an example. Say consider the city Delhi and consider say Noida. Suppose by bus it takes 40 minutes to reach Noida from Delhi. Then suppose by your own vehicle it takes 30 minutes. So among them Hn will consider say 30 minutes as the heuristic cost. But if you have gone by bus, then it takes around 40 minutes. So 40 minutes is our estimated cost and 30 minutes is our heuristic cost. So you have seen 30, of course, less than 40. So it proves that heuristic cost will be less than equal to estimated cost. You should note it. Very important fact. Okay. Now, what is pure heuristic search? Pure heuristic search are those algorithms which are the simplest form of heuristic search algorithm. And it maintains two lists, open list and closed list. Well, what are they? Open list and closed list. Open list contains those nodes which have yet not been expanded. You may note it down. Those nodes which have not yet been expanded. Expanded means its successors are not yet generated, or I can say its children are not generated. Clear? Closed list means though it contains those nodes which have already been expanded. Okay. So in every iteration, each node n with the lowest heuristic value Hn is expanded. That is the function, that is the characteristics of heuristic function, of course, and generates all its successor, and then n will be placed in which list? Closed list. First n will be in the open list. Now from the open list, say contains n1, n2, n, and n has the less or lowest heuristic value, so we have picked up n and expanded it, generated its successor, then n will be placed in the closed list. Got it? And it continues this process until we found the goal. So open list and closed list clear to you? Okay. Now if we give example of heuristic search techniques, then now if we give examples of heuristic search techniques, that is informed search techniques, then two famous algorithms are best first search and A-star algorithm, which we will cover in the coming classes. Okay guys, so we have discussed one very important terminology today, that is informed search. We have also seen that it is also known as heuristic search. Then we have discussed heuristic functions, characteristics of heuristic functions, and the heuristic cost versus estimated cost, and then what is pure heuristic search, and then open list and closed list. So we come to the questions from today's class. And today's question is, heuristic cost is less than equal to estimated cost. You need to state whether it is true or false. So comment either true or false based on your answer. And of course, I will respond to those comments. So guys, still if you have any doubt, then you can ask me anytime through comment. I will respond to them. We'll meet in the next lecture then. Till then, take care and bye-bye.